Hi, welcome to the walkthrough video of Wood-Mizer's LT15. I'm Daniel Wong, your Southeast Retail Manager. I'm currently at the customer's location, Chenga House, Penang, Malaysia. Come, let's follow me to find out more. The LT15 sawmill has been well proven and established on the market. It is known as a versatile, precise, reliable, and inexpensive sawmill designed for small and medium-sized companies and individual users. The LT15 sawmill series comes with standard or wide sawhead options, start or classic versions, stationary and mobile configurations with gasoline, electric, or battery-powered options. With a standard sawhead, the operator can cut logs with a maximum diameter of 70 cm and 90 cm with a wide sawhead. The wide sawhead has been developed in response to growing demand in the industry for sawing larger logs. The LT15 sawmill utilizes narrow, ultra-thin blades that help to produce more timber from each log with a minimum amount of sawdust. An essential feature of the LT15 sawmill is the versatility and functionality. The sawmill is available in numerous configurations, which allow individual users and sawmilling companies to adjust it to their specific needs. The LT15 range includes version, Start and Classic, with different sawhead equipment, Standard and Wide with different sawhead width, Stationary and Mobile with a trailer package. The LT15 comes with a standard cutting length of 5.2 meter, or as an option, additional base sections can be added. The sawhead requires 4010 mm long sawmill blades and the wide version 4470 mm. Fed on the standard 483 mm band wheels, the original Wood-Mizer 32 to 35 mm wide sawmill blades allow productive and economical sawmilling. Available in the official Wood-Mizer online shop or at your local sales representative. In the classic configuration, the LT15 sawmill features the electric up-down head height adjustments and manual forward and reverse, which can be upgraded to the electric power fit version. In the start configuration, up, down, forward, reverse movement is all manual. The blade guide arm is operated manually for both models, while the blade cleaning system keeps it in a better condition for longer period, allowing for higher precision and efficiency cuts. In the Classic, it's activated by an electric valve, and in the Start, it's manual. The Classic version has an operator control for automatic thickness calculation called the set work stand, adding more comfort and precision to the sawmilling process. With a set work stand, you can cut boards without remembering to set the thickness after each cut. The computer can do it for you. A highly recommended accessory is also a debugger for extending the blade life, particularly when the user mills dirty logs. Smarter and faster sawmilling is possible with efficient and compact main power units, the 11 kW electric motor or the 25 horsepower gasoline engine. Also, there is a new power option available now, the LT15 Classic Wide battery-powered sawmill that allows for up to 8 hours of cutting on a set of full charge batteries. The sawmill is based on a S3 type bed consisting of 3 segments, each 1.95 meter long, that can be extended by adding more segments according to the user's needs. The bed has 6 standard side supports and 3 manual lock clamps for securing the log. For more efficient log loading, the sawmill can be equipped with a set of loading ramps with a manual winch. A standard log wedge allows for more efficient leveling and positioning of any tapered logs. The LT15 sawmill comes also with a trailer package, which makes it a mobile version. In the mobile version, the user can transport the sawmill to any place and start sawmilling after a quick preparation. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to find out more about LT15 or any of other Wood-Mizer's product, please feel free to contact me anytime and I'll be happy to help.